Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Code. Today we're taking a closer look at Crypto.com and whether CRO still has long-term potential heading into the next big phase of the crypto cycle. This is a coin that consistently sparks debate, and that's exactly why it deserves a deeper look. Let's talk about it. Before we jump into today's topic, we want to remind you that here at the Crypto Code, our goal is to provide you with the top news, research, and tips when it comes to finding projects with huge profit potential. Stay to the end of this video and learn how you can earn $10 in Bitcoin and a free weekly trade alert just for attending one of our free workshops to learn more about who we are and what we do. No purchase needed. Our trade alerts have a 93% win rate, so make sure you take advantage of this free alert. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So do your own research before you make any crypto trades. Okay, so let's start with what really matters. CRO's behavior as a long-term asset. One thing that's been true since day one is that CRO tends to move in clear cycles. Periods where interest and momentum run hot, followed by phases where the price cools off and consolidates. That doesn't mean the project is weak, it simply reflects how exchange tokens behave. They usually thrive when the market is confident and risk-taking is high, and they slow down when investors turn cautious. And a big part of that comes from Bitcoin. Throughout CRO's entire history, it has closely mirrored Bitcoin's overall direction. When Bitcoin enters a strong trend, CRO often accelerates. But when Bitcoin hesitates, altcoins like CRO typically move sideways or pull back because traders become more selective. This relationship hasn't changed over the years, and it's likely to continue for as long as Bitcoin remains the market leader. Now, where things get interesting is the difference between short-term trading and long-term positioning. Short-term weakness or consolidation doesn't automatically mean a project has lost its future potential. CRO is a good example of that. Crypto.com has expanded globally, built a mainstream brand, and continues developing its ecosystem. So for long-term believers, holding spot CRO while waiting for the next broad market cycle can still make sense. But short-term traders often look at CRO differently. Instead of focusing on the long-term outcome, they focus on momentum shifts, volume changes, and breakout patterns, all the signals that help them capture quicker opportunities. And this is where both strategies can work together. Long-term holders benefit from being early in cycles, while shorter-term traders can grow their capital by taking advantage of stable ranges and volatility along the way. Trading isn't a sign of doubt, it's simply a tool. What really matters is understanding the bigger cycle. Historically, the strongest CRO moves have always come during major market expansions. The same periods when Bitcoin gains strength, liquidity flows in, and altcoins start breaking out together. Exchange tokens in particular tend to perform well later in bull cycles when trading activity surges and user growth increases. If the next major crypto expansion follows that pattern, CRO is positioned to benefit. That's why many investors stick to a balanced approach. Consistent Bitcoin accumulation combined with selective exposure to high-conviction altcoins like CRO. This strategy means you're not relying on short-term timing, you're positioning for the bigger picture where most of the life-changing gains typically occur. So here's the bottom line. CRO still has long-term potential because its strength comes from brand growth, user adoption, and broader market cycles, not from short-lived price action. Bitcoin's eventual trend shift will likely decide when CRO really starts moving again. And for investors who stay patient and position themselves early, the next major crypto expansion could present the most meaningful opportunity. Let us know in the comments where you think CRO could be in the next big crypto cycle. Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We have already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 93% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.